Hello guys, welcome to my channel. Today we are going to see how to resolve Microsoft Edge web browser that says that there is not enough memory to open this page. Try closing other tabs or programs to free up memory. Let's fix it guys. First thing I recommend doing would be, if you have more tabs opened in the Microsoft Edge web browser, I recommend closing out of every tabs you just opened it and see if that able to free up some memory in order to reload the page, and see if you able to clear your memory by doing that. And you can also need to open up search menu and type msconfig. Opens up system configuration. Click on open it, select the startup tab and select open task manager. And now you just need to disable application you do not want to start up every time your computer turns on. Select application you don't want to start in the startup and select disable option over here. You can disable BlueStacks or Epic Game Launcher or Steam or Discord like that. I already disabled it. So when you are in Windows, you can still turn on any of these application. It just doesn't have to start up every time your computer boots up. So it's just slowing down your system, and these apps are allows running into background. So you can disable Epic Games or Steam or Discord like that. After doing it, close it off here, and you just need to restart your PC for the changes take effect. And something else we can try as well, open up Microsoft Edge, click on this three dot icon and select extensions, and now select the manage extensions. I recommend toggling bunch of these extensions off. If you have a lot of extension listed over here, I recommend turning them off. After turning them off, you just need to close it off here and go ahead and restart your web browser. Hopefully your issue has been resolved at this point guys. I hope this video helped you guys. If the video helped you, don't forget to leave a like guys. You can also subscribe me and support me guys. Thank you.